with Rebelle's bristle brushes, a few small tweaks can make your brush feel incredibly real. One of the key settings is per-bristle pressure. This controls how each bristle within the brush reacts to your pen pressure. At 0, every bristle behaves the same: clean, controlled, predictable. But increase the setting, and each bristle starts responding differently. Some press harder, some softer, some lag behind, just like a real brush. To see these changes, make sure that the noise frequency is higher than 0. Now let's push it further with the per-bristle pressure multiplier. This amplifies that variation. A higher value means more contrast between bristles, more chaos, more life. The pressure of your stylus can control the amount of impasto applied. For this, check the impasto behavior curve. When the curve is linear, the thickness of the impasto will increase proportionally to the pressure applied with your tablet pen. Enjoy the feel of traditional painting right in the digital world.